Welcome to 10th class students to my English class. Let's recite Brahmana. Om. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Swasth. Last class we discussed how to join two sentences to make an if sentence. Today I want to recollect the formula in if clause and main clause. In if clause, if there is head plus V3, in main clause we have to use would or might plus head plus V3. Or in main clause, if there is would or could or might plus have plus V3, we have to use had plus V3 in if clause. This is the formula. We have to apply this in different questions. Let's take some examples. Question number 1 of textbook. If our boys had played well, our team dash win the match easily. In this question, we have to answer the correct tense form of the verb in the brackets. To answer it, the question is, the blank is in the main clause. We can answer it by taking the help of if clause. In if clause, what is the verb? Had plus had played. Means had plus V3. You know the rule? Last class we discussed. In main clause, we have to use would have plus V3 because in if clause, had plus V3 is there. So you have to write would have V3 of win is 1. We got the answer. Let's take another question. Question number 2. If Manisha does not get the scholarship, she might have missed the chance of her studies abroad. In this question, the blank is in if clause. So we can get or answer the question easily by taking the help of the main clause. This is the main clause. In the main clause, what is the verb person? Might have missed. It is clear. In the main clause, might have missed is there. So in the if clause, we know had plus V3. So the answer, if Manisha had not got the scholarship, she might have missed the chance of her studies abroad. We got the answer. Question number 3. India would not have achieved her freedom if the Indians does not fight for it. In this question, the blank is in if clause. We have to go to the main clause. In main clause, what is the verb? The verb is would not have achieved. Means would not have plus V3, would have plus V3. Main clause would have plus V3. So if clause, you know, had plus V3. So the answer if the Indians had not fought, if the Indians had not fought for it, we got the answer. So the answer is India would not have achieved her freedom if the Indians had not fought for it. This is question number 4 of textbook. Crops would have been better if it dash ran well. In this question, where is the blank? The blank is in if clause because if is there. And we have to go to the main clause. What is the verb in main clause? Would have been. Main clause would have plus V3. So in if clause we have to apply had plus V3. So if it had, the V3 of ran is ran. Got the answer? Crops would have been better if it had ran well. Question number 5. The government dash not be very popular if they had not raised taxes. In this question, you have to write the correct tense from the word not be in main clause because this is if clause. So you have to take the help of the if clause. Verb had not raised, had plus V3. In if clause, had plus V3 is there. So in main clause, we have to write would have plus V3. So the answer would not have, the V3 of B is been. So the answer, the government would not have been very popular if they had not raised taxes. We got the answer. Let's take question number 6. If you dash take my advice, you would not have got into troubles. In this question, the blank is in if clause. So we have to read the main clause. Main clause would have plus V3 or would not have plus V3. So in if clause you have to use had plus V3. So if you had, V3 of take is taken. The answer, if you had taken my advice, you would not have got into troubles. We got the answer. Let's take another question. Question number 8. In this question, the glass does not break if she had not dropped it. This is my if clause. The blank is in main clause. If clause had plus V3. So the if main clause would have plus V3. We have to use. So the answer is the glass would not is there, so you have to use not. The V3 of break would not have broken. Got the answer? The glass would not have broken if she had not dropped it. Let's take another example. Question number 8. If you dash work, you would have passed the examination. In this question, main clause is given, if clause is asked, in if clause, main clause would have plus V3 is there. So if clause we have to use had plus V3. So the answer is if you had worked hard, you would have passed the examination. We got the answer. Another question. Question number 9. If I had received your letter, I dash write to you. In this question, blank is in the main clause. So you have to identify the verb in the if clause. In if clause, had plus V3 is there. You know, in main clause, we have to write would have plus V3. So the I would have V3. Right of V3 of right is written. So the answer, if I had received your letter, I would have written to you. Got the answer. Another question, question number 9. If he had taken his father's advice, he dash get a good job. In this question, if clause is given completely, main clause is asked. In if clause, had plus V3 is used. So in if clause, had plus V3 is used. So in main clause, we have to use would have plus V3. He would have V3 of get is got. We got the answer. If he had taken his father's advice, he would have got a good job.